What is a VPN and why do people use them?
A virtual private network, or VPN, is a service that encrypts your internet connection and hides your IP address. People use VPNs to improve privacy, protect data on public Wi-Fi, access content not available in their country, and maintain anonymity online. VPNs are widely used for both security and personal freedom reasons, but the legality of their use depends on where you are.
Are VPNs legal in most countries?
In most countries, using a VPN is legal. Nations such as the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, Australia, and most of Europe allow VPN use for personal or business purposes. However, VPNs must not be used for illegal activities. Laws can change, so it is important to stay informed about regulations in your specific country.
Where are VPNs restricted or illegal?
Some countries restrict or ban VPN use, often to control internet access. For example, China, Russia, Iran, Turkey, and North Korea have strict regulations or outright bans on non-approved VPN services. Using unauthorized VPNs in these places can result in fines or other penalties. Approved VPNs, if available, may be subject to government monitoring.
What are the risks of using a VPN where it's restricted?
Using a VPN in countries where they're restricted can lead to legal consequences. These may include fines, loss of internet access, or, in rare cases, legal prosecution. The risks often depend on local enforcement and the intentions behind using the VPN. If you are traveling or living in a country with restrictions, research local laws before using one.
How can you use a VPN legally and safely?
To use a VPN legally, check your country's rules before connecting. Avoid using VPNs to break the law or for unauthorized activities. Select a reputable VPN provider that respects privacy. If you are in or traveling to a country with restrictions, consult updated government resources or seek legal guidance to ensure you comply with local laws.
Summary: key takeaways on VPN legality.
VPNs are widely legal, but some countries restrict or ban them. Always verify the rules in your location before using a VPN. Using a VPN does not make illegal activities legal. Stay informed, respect local laws, and prioritize your safety. Understanding the regulations ensures you use VPN technology responsibly wherever you are in the world.